Hello folks, it's Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. We're looking at here today is a brand new 2020 Exiss Exhibitor 7 wide 6-pin. The escape door here on the driver's side to step up into it. Insulated and lined with roof vents, slats with plexiglass in it, full width ramp on the rear. It's got tough and gusty fans in it on tracks. Got 2 of them. 60/40 pins. Bower latches all the way around. It's got a ramp on the curb side. Pass-through door into the tack area. It is wired with an inverter, so you can put a generator on the front, run your fans going down the road. This trailer's got it all. Only here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.